Hello everyone, this is Naheed from West Scarborough EarlyON team. Today I'm going to make paint right here in the kitchen with only 3 ingredients that I'm sure you can also find in your home. For making paint, we need cornstarch, water, and food color that I will use later. Right now, in the pan, I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 cup of water. Mix well, and now I need to cook it on the stove. Here I am cooking the mixture on medium heat until it gets thick and it will turn transparent as well. So here, after cooking about 4 to 5 minutes, the consistency is like this and you can see it turn transparent. So now I'm going to put this mixture in these containers. You can use any empty container that you have at home. Now I'm going to add food color, few drops of blue here, red, and green, and mix. So here we got 3 colors, blue, red, and green. This paint can be used as a finger paint because it's a natural ingredients, no chemicals added. But we can also use the brushes, any brushes, the regular paint brush that you have at home. You can even use the old toothbrush, foam brush, or you can make your brushes with the Q-tips, tie up with a rubber band, and a foam piece with a clothespin or a cotton ball, put in the clothespin, make your own brush. Generally we use paint on the paper, but we can also explore other material as well, something we find in nature like a stick or pine cone, and some stuff in our recycling bin like a milk carton, paper towel roll, egg carton, or a pizza box. We can also paint the flower pot as well. Exploring different material will encourage children to develop imagination and creativity. This paint can last for 2 weeks in an airtight container in the fridge. If it gets thick, you can add a little bit of hot water and mix well. I hope you will have fun making it at home. See you next time. Bye.